G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's October 24, 2023. This is a US crude oil price update. First off, on the weekly, daily and hourly, overall we're pretty much, in the longer term, we're still in an uptrend, but in the shorter term we're pivoting down to a bearish outlook at the moment. So drilling down to each of these on the weekly, first off, we've broken up through the moving average of our CCI 150 into a more bullish mode, and it's come up and broken up, bounced off that 50% retracement of this Fibonacci range. Now it's currently leveling out and showing us a sideways movement, so nothing really dramatic happening on the weekly level. On the daily, you can see there the CCI 150, our divergence CCI, has broken to the downside, so bearish, but our CCI 400 is still bullish. So overall we're still in line with the weekly on the daily as well in terms of trend, although we may see a bit of a pullback in the short term because of this divergence. Now it did break above this, it did hit this resistance 94.30 and break to the downside, and it's also bounced off this 80.74 support level. So it's currently in that little Fibonacci range. That's around the it's actually hitting that. Let me just zoom into that. That's, I think, at the 78% or the 61%. No, the 61%. So it's, again, remember, the 61% is always a key area to look out for. It's bounced off that 61% and making further downside. If it breaks above that 61%, that's a more strong signal for a bullish momentum. That'll probably more than likely break through this upper resistance there. But at the moment, the 61%'s been respected and it's broken down from there. So, excuse me, that's a weakening sign in line with this CCI breaking to the downside. As well, we did have, let me just delete that. We did have this bearish divergence on the CCI versus the price. It broke down, hit our target. We always choose the 23-38% target area. Broke down and then bounced off that support, as we said. But on a daily at least, we're in a bullish momentum, but seeing a bit of a retrace to the downside with our CCI 150. On the hour chart, we did project these two levels of retracement. That was our earlier stage, and this is our longer period Fibonacci level between the 23 and the 38, and it's actually broken down past that 38% level, and it's bounced off the 50% on the hourly chart as well. You can see there the CCI 150 bearish divergence has still breaking to the downside. Likewise, our CCI 400 is also broken to a bearish outlook, so looking kind of bearish at the moment on the hourly at least. Not sure whether it's going to stop or whether it's going to bounce from that 50%. As I said before, if it breaks below that 61%, we're going to see a much stronger downside risk. So at the moment, as I said, we're shorter term, we're in a bearish momentum, and longer term, we're still in a somewhat bullish movement. So at the moment, short term, just be careful about going long until we see more positive movement, and for these to break to the upside to be able to take longer trades, in which case there'll be more confidence in long trades, which will be in line with the weekly and the daily momentum. So if you got value out of the video, hit that subscribe and the like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.